What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're on Udio.com, the AI music maker. Udio is an AI-powered music generation tool that creates songs, vocals, and instrumentation from simple text prompts. Do you ever want to whip up amazing tracks without touching an instrument? Or maybe you just want to avoid dealing with copyrighted music by creating your own tunes from scratch. Udio lets you produce AI-powered beats in seconds, and all you need is a simple prompt and an idea. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to craft a music track from a simple prompt, add your own lyrics to the song, remix your song by switching up the genre, and downloading and sharing your custom creation. So head on over to udio.com. The link is going to be in the description as always here. And once you create an account, just come on down to the left-hand side here and click on create. All you have to do is describe our song in the prompt box here. I'm going to go with an intense and dynamic classical song with electronic dance music. And it's always a good idea just to click on these little genre boxes at the bottom of your prompt box. So I'm going to go ahead and hit electronic and classical. And for the write your lyrics part, I'm just going to click on the instrumental for this first one here. I just want the song to be instrumental for this first one here, and then we can go from there. So all you're going to do is click on create, and you're going to see Udio doing its thing on the right hand side here. It's going to give you 2 songs per prompt here, so you can kind of pick the song you like better. All right, so our songs are ready to go. We can see them on the right-hand side here, but I'm just going to come over to my library on the left-hand side. So let's go ahead and click this. And this is just going to be the spot where all my songs go. So let's see what we have here. Just hover your mouse over the box and click on this little play header. So the first one is a little bit more upbeat and the second one is a bit slower. And honestly, I have no idea how Udio does it. Both of these sound incredible. This is honestly production level quality here. This is amazing stuff. This segment is brought to you by Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is an easy-to-use video editing software featuring AI tools like Smart Short Clips, AI Video Enhancer, and Audio to Video. Wondershare Filmora is perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and casual content creators who want an easy, affordable way to edit videos with professional-looking results. Here's the Filmora dashboard. It's super clean. There's a ton of built-in tools, but let's jump into the audio to video. All you have to do is upload an audio clip. A podcast snippet works perfectly. Now that we have our audio file uploaded, select language, the type of content we're creating, the duration, and the picture style. Next, we can choose from various material templates, each featuring different art styles, themes, and overlays. Let's go with Whispered Tales. Once we're happy, we can hit generate. And boom, here's our video. We can either hit export if we're happy or go and hit edit. If we tweak it further with edit, we can fine-tune the video however we like. Think of it like sculpting your masterpiece on a classic video editing platform. Once we're happy, we can hit export.
When you were saying that the uncontacted tribe were speaking in monkey calls, What are they doing?
So JJ's dad used to tell us, he said, if you're ever out in the forest and something doesn't sound right, he was like, get out of there.
Audio to video is perfect for content creators looking to turn their audio recordings into done-for-you videos. Wondershare Filmora makes editing like a pro easy. Make sure you try out Wondershare Filmora today. Link is in the description. All right, so this time we're gonna add lyrics. So let's try this one on for size. A country song about the rent being too high. And I'm gonna come down to the write your lyrics section, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit custom. And then I'm going to click on this button right here that says write for me. So let's go ahead and click this. And as you can see, we just got Udio to write the lyrics for us here. You could always just click on the auto generate too on the left-hand side to make this a little bit more seamless, but I just wanted to come into custom here in case I wanted to fine tune things here. So I can see the verse in brackets and then I can see the chorus in brackets. So just a pro tip, you're gonna wanna use brackets to indicate the structure of your song here. So the song starts with the bills keep piling up like leaves in the yard. Let's go ahead and hit create and see what we have here. All right, I just came back to my library here on the left-hand side here, and I have a couple of songs to check out. So let's go ahead and see what we have here.
The bills keep piling up like leaves in the yard. We're dreaming of a home, but our chances are marred. These prices are a crime, they're telling. So bills keep piling up like leaves in the yard. We're dreaming of a home, but our chances are marred. These prices are a crime, they're tearing apart.
Again, blown away by the production quality here. These songs both sound like they came out of a studio. Super, super impressed with the quality that we're getting here. Let's jump back into our library again here. If we just hover our mouse cursor over our song here, we can actually remix or extend our song. So we can extend our track by 30 seconds here. I'm going to come into the remix section here, so I can go ahead and hit remix. This is where you want to come if you want to change out things like the instruments, the tempo, or the genre. All right, so we are gonna remix our country song here. So instead of a country song about the rent being too high, I just came over to the top here and changed this. So I just said a pop song about the rent being too high. And then I added the pop in the funk tag at the bottom here. I can also come down to the advanced controls here. This is where you're gonna come if you really wanna fine tune your song here. So let's say I wanna come in here and I really want to avoid a certain kind of a sound, a certain kind of a style. I would just come in here and make sure I am clear about that. This does require an upgrade though from the free plan. I can also play around with my prompt strength, my lyric strength, and a few other settings as well here. But let's go ahead and hit remix and see what we come up with.
Feels like we're losing, just playing a part. Oh, the rent's too high, it's a weight on my soul.
All right, so there is our remix of our country song. So as you just heard, the song retained a lot of its country sound and feel, and it just had a bit of a touch of funk and maybe a little bit of pop as well. So that's something that I could go in and I could tweak the settings depending on what I want the sound to sound like there. So there is a ton of creative freedom with how much you want to adjust your song and how much you want to remix it. Now, downloading your tunes is super, super easy. Just come over to your library, find the song you want to download, click on the three dots on the right hand side, click on that, hit download, and then just select the output that you want. So let's say you want to go with a video output. It's going to prepare a video file. And for the video file, it even comes up with custom artwork, which is super cool. Just have a look at the custom artwork here. It's actually amazing. Obviously, the song here is about the rent being too high, and you can see the rent in the clouds there. This is super, super cool. You can even regenerate the video at the bottom if you want to, but I'm super happy with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit download. And it's as easy as that. I have the video now. All right, so everything I've done today has been on the free plan. So when you make an account, you're going to be on the free plan automatically, and you're going to be given 100 credits right out of the gate here. I've made a bunch of songs today, and I still have the vast majority of my credits remaining. With the free plan, you're going to get 10 credit limits per day, and you can generate up to 4 songs at the same time, but a limit of 3 full songs per day. Now, if you like what you see and you like what you hear, you can consider the standard plan. Now, coming in at $10 per month is the standard plan, which is going to give you no daily limit, which is amazing. You're going to be at a 1,200 credit limit per month, but the no daily limit is awesome stuff. You can also generate up to 6 songs at the same time, and you can edit your tracks, generate songs from audio clips, download musical stems, and upload custom cover art, and a whole lot more. All right, so there it is. Whether you're a musician, content creator, or you just want to make your own music, Udio has you covered. Make sure you try out Udio today. The link is going to be in the description. Good luck with your creations.